Racing Jazz is started with Nurture Nature. Break quick, let it start. Moving up down on the inside is Take It or Leave It. Gimaras Island comes next, getting better. Then comes a Striker Symbols. 5-star comes next, Airborne Magic, while Ola Alonso is the trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we are getting better. Take It or Leave It in between horses. And on the outside is Nurture Nature. Gimaras Island comes next, is Striker Symbol. Then comes 5-star Airborne Magic is down on the inside, while Ola Alonso is still in less at mile distance. They traveled with getting better by about half length. And on the outside is Take It or Leave It. Gimaras Island is Striker Symbol is down on the inside. Nurture Nature, 5-star Ola Alonso, while Airborne Magic now racing in less. Another 4 turn, 3 runners now party out for the leader. We have Take It or Leave It. Gimaras Island now moving up on the outside. Getting better is racing in third. Is Striker Symbol. Ola Alonso, 5-star comes next. And as they swing to Rome, Gimaras Island now takes command. Norling getting up. Take It or Living in second. Is Striker Symbols getting better comes next. Last 100 meters we have Gimaras Island now racing away, and finally Jockey Jesse Basilio Guse on Gimaras Island. The second is Take It or Leave It. Then comes is Striker Symbol.
Okay, para po dito sa ating race number 5, ating unofficial winner dito, 5A, Gimaras Island. Lalamado itong magkakoupled na ito at nasa segundo dyan, numero 4, Take It or Leave It. Ating pong balikan ng replay dito.